Y'all need to hype me up.
Do that thing with your eyes.
Money, look.
Let me see them lips.
Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into my channel, Beauty by Amor. I really appreciate the new subscribers, everyone who's been rocking with me from the beginning. If you're new here, welcome. I'm starting off by cleaning up my brows with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. To prime my eyes, I am using Revlon Color Stay. The color will be in the description below. I am using a small beauty blender to blend out the primer on my eyelids. I'm going in again with my LA Girl Pro Concealer to prime my eyelids just so that the color of the eyeshadow can pop a little bit more. Now I am using my Juvias Place eyeshadow palette and applying the eyeshadow to the inner corner of my eyes. Next, I will use another color. All the colors that I'm using on my eyes will be in the description below, so please just pay attention, watch, and learn. I'm applying the next color directly above the dark brown color that I applied prior. And you want to just blend it smoothly. You will see throughout the video how I go back in with the eyeshadow just to help the colors pop a little bit more. You can apply it as much as you want until it's to your desire. In this specific makeup tutorial, I was going for a soft brown glam. I used a couple of different brown shades, as you can see in this tutorial. Next, I will be going in with my contour palette. I love this palette. There's so many shades in this palette. I believe this one is medium to dark. And I cut my crease. When you are cutting your crease, please be careful and take your time. This video is a little sped up, but I did take my time when applying this cut crease. And I did the exact same thing on the other eyelid. This next step is very important. You have to blend out those harsh lines. Take your time and do the exact same thing on the other side. Now I am using the color Spice from my BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. Apply this color into the crease of your eyelid. Using the same eyeshadow palette, I'm going in with the color Nudist. Apply that over your eyelid, right where you cut the crease. You will see me go back in again and apply those same brown shades. To apply my eyeliner, I actually use my lash glue pen from my brand. It has a very dark black shade. I am also using my 5D lashes. I didn't apply it in the video. That is a separate tutorial because I take very long. I'm also applying calamine lotion after I apply my moisturizer. Calamine lotion actually keeps on my makeup for all day. All day. I love this method. Before applying your foundation, give it a little shake. I have on calamine lotion at the moment. That's why my face looks a little bit weird, but it does keep on my makeup all day. I did spray my foundation brush prior to applying foundation onto it with my setting spray. If you are using calamine lotion, you may have to use more foundation than you're used to for a full coverage look. If you watch my previous videos, you know that this is Juvias Place concealer. Details will be in the description below. And I apply this for my contour. I do fan it a little bit and let it dry, just a little bit. I then go in with my foundation brush and I blend out that concealer all the way up to my temple, around the nose, my chin area, and everywhere that I applied that concealer. And then I go in with the dark brown concealer to finish up my contour.
forget about you. I can't forget about you. Oh, I can't explain just what you've done to me. It feels like the rain is pouring all over me. You make me feel free. I wanna believe in you, believe in you. Oh, I just gotta know, will you be here forever? And if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta know, oh I just gotta know, will you be here forever? And if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta know.
Sometimes you have to go in with another brush in order for the concealer to fully blend. In this part of the video, I am reapplying my concealer just to make sure that the outline of my nose, the look that I'm going for, is perfect. If you feel like some of your concealer might have been blended out a little bit too much, then you can go back in. Now I am going in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set my concealer. I let that sit for about 3 minutes to get that beautiful glow. Now it's time to bronze. Pay attention, watch, and learn. The next step is defining my nose with that bronzer and then blending it out. Now I'm going in with my matte bronzer in the color tan to blend everything out and give it a highlight effect.
I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself.
In this part of the video, I'm applying my wig using Got To Be glue spray. No actual glue will be used in this video. This is actually a 4x4 lace closure that I made myself on the sewing machine. If you would like more details about my wigs, please follow me on Instagram at Amor. It will be in the description below. B3LLEZA.AM0R_. Now I'm just styling my wig using a flat iron, my hot comb. I also use one of my concealers closest to my complexion to fill in the parting space, as you will see in this video. So just sit back, watch and learn, and you will see the end results. If you would like a nice, flat, natural look, please use a wax stick of your desire and then go over it with your hot comb. The hot comb is very important when you want a natural look. And I do style my wigs on the mannequin head prior to applying the wig on my head. So this wig was pre-styled. I'm just fixing it up to ensure that it is perfect. As you can see, I am applying a concealer that is closest to my complexion to the parting space that I'm using, which is to the side and also on my hairline. And then I tie it down again with my head tie for about 10 minutes. You can go underneath the dryer or do whatever you desire. But this is just my method. I am no hairstylist. This is just what I've learned over the years. And as you can see, I go in with my hot comb a few times just to ensure that everything is flat and natural. Please, if you don't have a hot comb, please invest in one and a great flat iron. And you want to use a wig brush as the one that I'm using to comb out your hair. And this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, share, comment. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video.